Well, howdy ho, friends. How's everybody doing? Let's do some nail mail. I've got you guys super close down here so you can see. Okay, first of all, this was a little mini order I had done from Melissa. Oh my gosh, look at these. They're overlays. Look, there's little silver dots. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I want it to be. Really deep red glitter. Oh, so good. And then this one, hopefully you guys can see, has little daisies, an overlay. And then she sent me a bunch of random accent nails. And look at these. Cat decals. Oh my god. They're so funny. They're so funny because you can make them look like they're just peeking right in. How cute is that? Super cute. Okay, so let's see. Let's start with these ones because they're so cute. These are a ton, you guys. These are 2 different decal packs I ordered on my birthday. And look how cute they are. And I have ordered these ones before. And I love them because they're so tiny. So no matter how small your fingers are, you're gonna find, you know, stuff that fits perfectly. And you could put lots of them on your thumb. So cute, so cute, so cute. And I throw these in all the time when I send people stuff. And so when I ordered on my birthday, I just added a couple packs. Because they come with a ton, you guys. You get like 90 sheets of them for like $7. Aren't they cute? And this set is all like, look at this one. Little baby dragonflies and butterflies. So cute and so tiny. This one is butterflies also. Super duper cute. I wonder if, hang on. I'm working through this cold. There we go. Let's see if that helps. Does that help make them easier to see? No, not really. I need a bit of, this'll work. A bit of black post-it notes. That'll work. There we go. I mean, those are adorable. Plus all the little leaves. The leaf bits always make me happy. I had these all sorted so nice and now I'm messing them all up. Look at that one. They're so darn cute. And these are perfect if you're a stylist looking for something to be able to throw in a little extra bit. Won't these be cute on tips? So cute. This is a super... Oh, this one has music notes. I didn't even notice that. I should send that to nail friend Allison. I'm going to leave it sitting out. She's always looking for music note stuff. Roses. Oh, I love this one. Oranges. So cute. Okay, so that was one pack, and well, it wasn't one pack. It was one portion of one pack. So one portion is like, what do you call it? Pastel-y or colored, just in general colored. And then one section of them are white. And a lot of the whites have the little silver dots in the middle, which I like that also. I love these little things for doing a corner, or if you did a V-tip, that would be really cute in the tip of it. Oh, look at that. I mean, just all these extra little random leafy bits. You could really, really do something cute with those. So cute. Love those. Those would be really cute just as a little swoosh. Oh, I like the shape of those. They're all a little bit, these ones are not like perfectly perfect, you know? So I'm always a fan of the not perfectly perfect. I'm working through my cold, you guys. I slept 12 hours last night. It was great. It worked out really good to have this unexpected time off because I feel crappy. Willow's got girls group therapy tonight, and then I am going to come home and do my nails because I want to do Marcy's Mischievous Mini that she posts in Sassy Crew. And get that rocked out. And then tomorrow, yeah, Wednesday, we're doing our live Easter nails. Oh, I'm excited for that too. You know, these two are stuck together. And that one's got little bows mixed in with it. They're just, I mean, they're just really cute, you guys. So cute. And these aren't like 3D or 5D, but you can definitely have a feel of them, you know? Oh, these are one of my faves. Look how cute those are. These little bits. So fun. And then that one's the last one in the whites. Let me clean them out of here. I should mute my TV in the background, huh? Or I'm gonna get a hit on copyrighted info. Okay, and these ones I'll do against the black because they're black. I think that will show them okay. Well, black and whites. They're really cute. Those ones are all, let me see here. These ones are like, there we go. Little bows and such. Gosh. They're really cute, you guys. And this, all three sections I've showed you so far, you guys, are all out of one big thing of them. Does that say something? Nope, it's just like little kind of lacy bits. Very cute. And I will make myself remember to post links below because I know people are going to ask. This is a great way if you're just starting with decals. This is a good way to go. If you're a new stylist and looking for something cheap and easy to throw in, like with your little thank you or whatever. I'm not sure how many stylists do that anymore. Those hearts are adorable. But the very first gal that I ordered from before Shannon, and she didn't stay selling very long, but the very first gal I ordered from sent a koozie and like a little handwritten thanks for ordering, and I thought that was lovely. If any of you were in the ruckus and have gotten your little prize bits and stickers and stuff, there is a handwritten note from Marce and I in there. because I like it. I like that, you guys. I mean, everybody can say they appreciate you for something, but until they take a couple minutes to use their messiest writing, which is me, and send you a little note. And I don't know when we started that. Gosh, a while ago. We started a while ago. And we just, maybe it's our age. Maybe we both think it's awesome because it's our age. Those are so cute. But we try to always put, Mercy cuts the paper down and signs her name and then sends them my way. And then I write a little note and sign my name. You know. Just a little something. There we go. That was those. So you get the set that's like all kind of blacks and whites. And then all whites. And then the pastel. And then I set that music note one aside for Allison. And then I got this pack, and let me tell you how much that pack was. So you get 90 of them for $8.30. That's super cheap. $8.30 divided by 90. Yeah, I mean, it's 9 cents a sheet, you guys. You can't beat that. And this one that I'm getting ready to show you is 50 sheets for $6.69. So 13 cents a sheet is what they work out to. But the reason I got these ones, oh, look at those. And these ones are called 3D. These are gold ones. Not all of them are, but the ones I'm starting you with are. And then look at these. Oh, they're so pretty. Aren't those fancy? They look very fancy to me. So pretty. Oh, they're lovely. Really pretty. And then these are the same as the golds, but in silver. And then look, bum, ba, ba, zipper. Zipper nails are fun. I haven't done those in a while. I should do that. Oh my gosh. Wait, now I had an idea. So cute. And then, excuse me, what I thought was fun in theirs is in the white, they have some like little strips of lacy bits and tiny bows. And then these that are like a little patch of lace or something that you cut out. Super cute. These are white with like little teeny orange gems. That is the main thing about all of these, you guys, is size-wise, they're nice and small. These are black and white. Ooh, I love those corners. Oranges. Oranges. I know you guys would never expect that from me. For me to order an orange or a yellow anything. Look how pretty those are. The butterflies are super cute. Sorry, sniffle, sniffle. Yeah, these are adorable. Like, dang adorable. Or if you have, like, a couple friends you do nails with. Oh, these ones say smile on them. I love the long bits you can cut up and put on. These ones say love. Yeah, if you have a couple friends you do nails with, this would be a great way to go to, just share them, you know. It gives everybody, it's such a huge variety to me, even though it's, you know, 50 or 90 sheets. Those are all little lacy strips. They're not, to me, they don't feel like done and redone kind of thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta send that one to Angela. Let me put it on green so you guys can see. She's a skull girl. Super cute. And can set them off to the side. Can you grab that, Willow? It's UPS. Can you grab it?
Yeah.
Bows, bows, and more bows. Butterflies. Thanks, Bear. Can't believe Tartar didn't try to make a great escape. So many. Oh, I love this one too. All the little mustachios. I mean, you could easily share that with however many people you want, right? There's plenty. Plenty. Oh, I like this one too. With the red and green. Super cute. Oh, look at that red bow, you guys. Isn't that adorable? I mean, they're just... Oh, those are pretty. Got different color little mini gems in them. So cute. So there you go, guys. That was nail mail for today. See you later tonight for nails.